How are you all? I hope you all must be enjoying at your home, and I hope that you all are doing preparation for your exam also. And students, as you know, we are doing the revision of chapter number 1, and almost topic we have revised. Till now we have revised number name, numbers, expanded form, short form, place value, face value, and forming greatest number and smallest number, ascending order, descending order, and even and odd numbers. And now only two topics are left. What are the topics? Yes, round of numbers and Roman numerals. So let's start revision with the topic round of numbers to the nearest 10 and nearest 100. Students, we can round off a number to any given place, that is tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. For this we have to follow only two steps. What are the steps? See the first step. Step number 1, and you have to see the right side digit of the given place. It means if your question is asking round off the given number to the nearest 10, I am taking one number 75, 84. I am taking two numbers. The step number 1, according to step number 1, you have to look at the right side digit of the given place. It means now the place is given 10. So we have to check the digit the right side. Right side digit is this one. See, the digit is 5 and here digit is 4. So according to step number 1, if right side digit is 5 or more than 5, अगर वो 5 और 5 से ज़्यादा है, so it is rounded up. It means we have to add 1 in the tens place digit. So 75 is rounded up to 80. This is the step 1. Okay. What is the step 2? According to step 2, if the right side digit is less than 5. Less than 5 means 5 se kam. Then there is a no change in the tens place digit. See the number 84. We have to round up this number nearest 10. So this is the tens place. I have to check the digit to the right side of the tens place. See, this is 4 and 4 is less than 5. It means there is a no change. So 84 is rounded to 80. Now look at some more example. I am having number 243. Your question is asking round off the numbers to the nearest 10. See, ones, tens, 100. We have to round up the number to the nearest 10. So I have to check to the right side of tens place digit and see what is it? 3, and 3 is less than 5. So there is a no change in the tens place digit. So students, 240 is rounded off to 240. Okay. I am taking one more example. 248. 248. I have to again round off this number to the nearest 10. Ones, tens, 100. So I have to check. Right side digit of which place? Tens place. See, what is it? It is 8 and 8 is greater than 5. So there is a change in the tens place digit. So 4 becomes 5. It means we have to add 1. So this number 248 is rounded up to 250.
Go.
Now look at another example. The number is 2452. See, we have to round up this number to the nearest 10. Ones, tens. So I have to check the digit to the right side of tens place. So what is it? It is 2, which is less than 5. So there is a no change in the tens place digit. So this number, it means 2452 is round up to 2450. I am taking one more example, the same 2468. Again we have to round off this number to the nearest tens. See, I have to check the right side digit of tens place, and what is it? It is 8 and it is more than 5. So we have to add 1 in the tens place digit. It means there is a change. So 68 rounded up to 70. So this number, it means 2468 is round up to 2470.
Go.
Now let's revise. Round off the number to the nearest hundreds. Now the same rules we have to follow, but this time we have to check. We have to look at which digit? The right side of 100 place digit. See, I am taking one example. 639. Ones, tens, 100. The 100 place is this. Now we have to check the right side digit of 100 place. See, what is it? It is 3, which is the less than 5. It means there is a no change in the 100 place. So 639 is rounded up to only 600. Okay. I am taking one more example. 752. You have to round up this number to the nearest 100. Ones, tens, 100. We have to round off this number to the nearest 100. So we have to check. We have to look up the digit to the right side of 100 place. See, what is it? It is 5. As I have already told you, if the right side digit is 5 or more than 5, it means we have to check for the 5 also. So there is a change in the 100 place digit. We have to add 1. So this number, it means 752 is rounded up to 800.
Go.
Look at some more example. The number is 4345. 4345, but we have to round off the number nearest 100. So I have to check to the right side of 100 place digit. See, this is the 100 place digit, and what is its right side digit? It is 4, which is less than 5. So there is a no change. 3 remains, only 3. So this number will be rounded off to 4300. See one more example. 5672. Again we have to round up this number to the nearest 100 place. See the right side digit. What is the right side digit? 7, and 7 is more than 5. So there is a change. 6 becomes 7. So this number is rounded up to 5700. Okay students, the concept of round up number to the nearest tens and 100 is clear to everyone. Now we will revise Roman numerals. Okay students, for writing the numbers in the Roman numerals, our first step, we should know about the 7 basic Roman numerals. Do you know? What are the 7 basic Roman numerals? Okay, let's revise with me. See, the first symbol I. I stand for, it means value of I, 1. Then V. Value of V, 5. Next, X. X stand for 10. Then L. L, the value of L, yes, 50. Then C. C means 100. And D. Value of D, 500. And M stand for 1000. Once again, revise me again. I means 1, or I stand for 1. V stand for 5. X stand for 10. L stand for 50. C stand for 100. D stand for 500. And M stand for 1000. And this is our first step. Then there are so many rules, but in your class we will discuss only 3 rules, the main basics rule, and we will learn till 50. Okay, how will we write till 50 numbers in Roman numerals? The first rule of repetition, and second, rule of addition, and third is rule of subtraction. Rule of repetition. It means when a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it is repeated. How? Suppose, as you know, I means 1. I am going to repeat it 2 times. It means 1 plus 1. So, the value of double I means 2. I. Now, here I is repeated 3 times. So, its value is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Okay. And X. The value of X means 10. When I am going to repeat it 3 times, it means its value is X. It means 10 is added 3 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Okay. And second thing, in Roman numerals, no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. मतलब एक सिंबल को हम 3 टाइम्स से ज़्यादा रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. See how when I have to write 4, I will not write in this way. There is a different way. I will tell. 4 times I is not 4, the Hindu Arabic number 4. Okay. We will write 4 as IV. And how? I will tell you now. Okay. Now see, rule of addition. What is the rule of addition? According to this rule, when smaller value symbol is placed to the right side of the higher value symbol, then we have to add them. How, beta? See, I am writing VI. V means, V stand for 5, I stand for 1. It means V is the higher value symbol and I is a smaller value symbol. And now see, the place of I, it is placed to the right side of V. It means the smaller value symbol is placed to the right side of the higher value. It means we have to add them. So 5 plus 1, 6. So VI, the value of VI means 6. I am taking one more. X, I. right side of x. It means smaller value symbol is placed to the right side of the higher value symbol. So we have to add them to get its value. So 10 plus 1 plus 1, 12. Is it clear, beta? Good. Now see the next rule, rule of subtraction. What it is? See, according to this rule, when the smaller value symbol is placed to the left side. Now the smaller value symbol is placed to the left side of the higher value symbol. Then we have to subtract smaller value from the higher value. See again, V. V stand for 5 and I stand for 1. And now I is placed to the left. This is your right, this is your left. Now I is placed to the left side. It means this is the higher, this is the smaller. Now the smaller value is placed to the left side of the higher value. So we have to subtract them. So 5 minus 1, 4. So students, IV stand for number 4. Similarly, IX. X means 10 and I means 1. Now I, see its position. It is placed to the left side. So we will subtract. Okay. Now 10 minus 1, 9. So students, IX stand for 9. Okay. And you can see V, L, D. These three symbols can never be subtracted. इन three symbols को हम कभी subtract करते ही नहीं हैं. And these symbols can never be repeated. और ना ही इन symbols को हम कभी repeat करते हैं. Why बेटा? See, V means 5 and again V means 5. 5, 5, 10. Can we write 10 for double 5? No, because there is a unique symbol for 10, that is X. That's why we are not going to repeat this symbol. Then again L. L means 50. Then again L, 50. Then 50, 50, 100. But we will not write in this way because 100 has its own symbol, that is C. Okay students, I hope that these some basic rules are clear to you. Now we will learn and revise the number till 40. Okay. See how we will write these number in the Roman numerals. See, 1. Yes, tell me the symbol for the 1. Yes, I. The symbol for 1 is I. How can we write the 2? Yes, here we will repeat I twice to get 2. And 3, I. 1 plus 1 plus 1. It becomes 3. Now how can we write the 4? Yes, IV. As I have already told you, we can't repeat a symbol more than 3 times. That's why I am not going to write I for the number 4. So this is the V means 5. 5 minus 1. This is 4. And symbol for 5? Yes, V. And for 6? 5 and 1, 6. Because I am going to place I to the right side of V. 5 plus 1, 6. Now 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. V means 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9. Yes, 9. I told you na? Yes, IX. It means 10 minus 1, 9. And 10, X. Now 11. How can I write the 11? 10 plus 1. Symbol for 10, X and I. Now how can I write the 12? 12 means 10 plus 2. The symbol for 10, X, I. 10 plus 4. The symbol for 10, X. And how can we write the 4? IV. And 15, 10 plus 5. The symbol for 10, X, X, V. 16, 10 plus 6, X. And 6, how can we write the 6? VI. So, X, VI. 10 and 5, 15 and 1, 6. Now 17, 10 plus 7. The symbol for 10, X. How can we write the 7? VII. 18, 10 plus 8. Then X, VII. 19, 10 plus 9. X. And for the 9, how can we write the 9? Yes, IX. X means 10 and IX means 9. 10 plus 9, 19. And 20? Yes, X, X, X. I am going to repeat X 2 times. As you know the rule of repetition. So 10 plus 10, 20. Okay students, I think it is clear to you. It means you should know till only 1 to 10. Then you should know the basic symbols and some rules. You can write the any number in the Roman numerals. See 30. How can we write the 30? Yes, repeat 1 in this way. Now 40. Yes, 40. We will write the 40 XL. XL. L means 50. 50 minus 10, 40. Okay. Okay, I am taking one more example. Suppose the number is 32. 32 means 30 plus 2. How can I write the 30? Yes, X, X, X. This is the 30. Then 2, I. Suppose 25. How can I write the 25? 20 plus 5. It means X, X, and what is the symbol for 5? Yes, V. Okay, 39. How can I write the 39? 30 plus 9. Okay, 30. How can we write the 30? We will repeat X 3 times and 9 IX. Okay students, I hope that the both concepts are clear to everyone. Roman numerals and the round of the numbers to the nearest tens and 100. Okay, do more and more practice. I'm going to send you a worksheet. Please do it. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.